Every semester, teachers deals with a large amount of student scores, grades, and reports. What if all of that could be analyzed faster, more accurately, and more intelligently? Good day, everyone. I am Rex Galigao. We would like to introduce the Student Academic Performance Analysis System powered by the sliding window algorithm. It was created to address the challenges in student performance monitoring. To better understand the purpose of this system, first let us look the problem. It aims to solve and how it provides a solution to improve the process.
So let me begin with the problem. In academic institutions, students' performance are often done manually. Teachers need to compute scores from quizzes, activities, written outputs, attendance, and summative assessments. They also need to apply grading criteria and transmutation formulas for every student across every subjects. This process is time-consuming, repetitive, and highly prone to human error, especially when handling many students across multiple subjects. Now, to address this problem, we developed the Student Academic Performance Analysis System to automate and optimize the entire process of academic performance analysis and help educators save time, reduce errors, and make better decisions for their students.
In conclusion, Student Academic Performance Analysis System successfully demonstrates the practical application of the sliding window algorithm in a real-world academic setting. The system efficiently computes weight grades based on the instructor's grading criteria of 60% summative and 40% performance. It also applies the transmutation formula accurately and converts the result into the correct institutional numerical grade equivalent. The sliding window algorithm proved to be significantly faster than the brute force approach, reducing time complexity from O of n squared to O of n while maintaining the same of O of 1 space complexity. Through this project, our group learned how algorithmic thinking can be applied to a real-world educational problem efficiently and accurately. We are the proponents of the Student Academic Performance Analysis System from IT 221 Data Structures and Algorithms, Institute of Computing, the Baudrillard State College. Good day and thank you for watching.